The super luxury saloon car has arrived. This is the Rolls-Royce Ghost on a 2024 74 registration with just 8,000 miles on. The car is stunning. Yes, it's a Rolls-Royce, so it has the V12 engine. It's not about power. It's the way you feel when you're a passenger in this car or even a driver. It is long, it is big, but it's beautiful. The spec on it is fantastic. It's got a full bespoke exterior vehicle wrap on it in black, which looks very, very stealthy. Just because it's a Rolls-Royce where it means super luxurious, it doesn't mean that it can't look stealthy or sporty, because it's exactly that. You've then got this huge grille, illuminated front grille, finished in the same black, and you have the Spirit of Ecstasy, which is also finished in matte black. You've then got the Rolls-Royce LED headlights with the LED DRLs, and then you've got the front rear parking sensors, 360 camera system, the 21-inch 10-spoke wheels finished in gloss black. But remember, when you're in this car, it's the way it makes you feel. You don't have to go too far in it, but if you did, you would feel so fresh when you get out the other side. Now, the black styling then continues on the side profile of the vehicle, as you can see, with the window surrounds, the door handles. You have got the electric doors on this as well, and you have got the rear hinge door. So to open, it opens like this. But before we get into the back, let's show you the front. This has the grace white, full extended leather interior with the Rolls-Royce bespoke audio system, heated, massaging electric seats. You've also got the illuminated fascia just here with the Ghost, touchscreen media system, and the full Starlight roofing, which is a must-have on a Rolls-Royce. The Rolls-Royce monogram on the headrest, the black piping, the contrast stitching, also down the knee pad area. 2 keys, air suspension. It has everything, including heads-up display, adaptive cruise control. The extended leather in grace white continues on the door cards, the grab handles, and to close the doors in the front, there is a button just there, so it does close electronically. Or, from the outside, you press the button and it closes just like that. Now, to get into the back, like I said, it's dead easy. Like this, elegantly you step into this beautiful piece of machinery, and when you're in here, the craftsmanship really does start at the first instance. The rear picnic table, rear theatre configuration has got it all. Up above your head, you've got the beautiful Starlight roofing. You've got rear heated seat, third zone climate control. This centre armrest comes down, and again the extended speaker system. All the materials, all the metal that you see is real metal, none of this plastic stuff. So, as you can hear there, everything just feels great to touch. Grab handles, the full roof lining is in leather as well. And to close that door, if you step back for a second, I don't need to pull out and reach. I can just press this button and it closes automatically. That easy. But like I said, as a passenger, as a driver in this car, you will have a great time. Now, to close it like the front, same again. You press the button and it closes. Certain things on any car, for me, is a wow moment. And with this one, it's the overall stance of it on the road. It is big, so it looks powerful. But the styling of it, the black, on black, with the black wheels, with the grace white interior, for me, is the perfect combination. And I can see why somebody has gone to the extent of spending a lot of money and getting this vehicle wrapped in this beautiful colour. The black styling continues in the rear again. The car has the remainder of the 4 years Rolls-Royce package, owner's package. That's warranty and maintenance, so all expenses taken care of. The car has been serviced once already by Rolls-Royce, so the next time it's due, you just take it in there. Size of the boot, well, that is absolutely massive. It's huge. And I've said this many times, if you're going to buy yourself a Rolls-Royce, you probably are going to make a few journeys to your local hotels, business trips, whatever it might be. So suitcases, go in there easy, no problem. LED rear lighting system. Are you in the market for a Rolls-Royce? Are you in the market for a luxury limousine? What I call a fantastic saloon vehicle? Well, let me do some research for you, which I have already. I'm going to share that with you now. This being a 2024 74 registration, there's only 3 Rolls-Royce Ghosts in this age bracket. We have priced this approximately £10,000 lower than anything else that's available, and for no other reason than the fact that we want to give you our best deal up front. So when you watch this video and you think myself, my mum, my dad, or whoever it is that's going to travel in this car, you're getting the best deal without having to ask for a better deal. Now, the condition of the driver's seat, the door cards, the entry kick plate, the Lamswool mats, which are very expensive. Do yourself a favour, try and buy a set of Lamswool mats from Rolls-Royce. It's almost impossible. I think it is impossible, actually. We tried it recently. Over here, you have the original analog clocks with the digital section as well. Multifunctional steering wheel with the adaptive cruise control there. Lovely, crisp touch screen media with the 360 camera. Down below from that, you've got the heated seats, the heated steering wheel. Nice, easy wording users here. So you've got soft, medium, high, max. So you know exactly what you're doing. Even the shortcut buttons here, the 1, 2, 8, are really good. The air suspension button down below here, and then the doors to close. You literally pull the door and it will close just like that. And then off you go for that lovely drive. And like I said, just because it's the V12 engine, it doesn't mean you have to go around corners on 2 wheels. Not in a car like this, you don't. You can really enjoy every single mile. My name's Joe. If you want to know anything more about this particular car, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. But it really is a fine example when it comes to luxury saloon limousines. My name's Joe. Thank you. Bye-bye now.